So the Shakopee Mdewakanton Sioux community is a federally recognized tribe. Our sovereignty is not something that was given to us by the United States. It is something that was inherent to tribal people long before the creation of the United States. Tribal sovereignty means that we take care of our people, we govern, we provide services. As Dakota people, I think it's always been a tradition and a custom to share and help people out, whether there's an abundance or there isn't. If people are hurting or need a little extra help, it's just always been a Dakota value to provide for those who need it. Understand Native Minnesota is a narrative change campaign that's focused in the K-12 education system. Right now, the history of Minnesota really is not well told throughout our K-12 system, and I think that creates a lot of barriers here in Minnesota in people not understanding each other or who they are or where they come from. So most of our initiatives do rely on partnerships, and this one does too. We're not the experts in education, but we do have a lot to offer as far as sharing a different narrative and a different perspective. And so we're partnering with teachers, with school boards and school administrators, those that are in the education field to help develop curriculum, to help provide training, and really work with them to understand what are the resources they need to accurately tell this narrative. So Seeds of Native Health was aimed at understanding and bringing awareness to nutrition and health disparities in tribal communities. Because of the way tribal people were treated, put on reservations, and really lacking a lot of resources.
The Seeds of Native Health initiative that SMSC started a number of years ago is a wonderful example of them being leaders amongst leaders. They had this vision, and they saw that in tribal communities all across the country that good nutrition was lacking, and they took on as the leading benefactor and used their platform, if you will, to raise up the issue of improving nutrition amongst tribal communities. And so they used their resources, and they found other resources from others who invested, and then they partnered with organizations all across the United States and with tribes to raise awareness for nutrition and new ways of bringing nutritious foods into, and particularly native foods, back into communities. And it was a huge education effort. And we were at the University of Minnesota, we were very proud to partner with them on that.
Certainly, we appreciate the financial resources in this partnership, but it goes beyond. They really believe in engaging and following their philanthropy. They want to be at the table in terms of visioning it, partnering with it, follow-up, stewardship, inviting university leaders and partners to their community as well. While having the Shakopee Mdewakanton Sioux community represented on our board of trustees really means everything. At the very highest level, it just means a huge commitment to this partnership between the university and the SMSC community and the work that we're doing together.